Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Ovation Guitar. We have Maisie Peters here. Not the first time, but she earns to be here more than she actually has been here on this channel. She's a great artist, great songs. And this time we have this song called Say My Name in Your Sleep. Alright, if you say my name in your sleep, I would be a little bit worried. Yeah, but that's a different story anyway. This is a great song from Maisie. Let's go into it. And we have a capo set here on the 4th fret. Absolute best scenario to have the easiest chords possible and to match up with the sound. And this is a lot of happening here when it comes to instrumental and sound-wise, everything. I've done this very easy. I have a simple strumming pattern. The challenge here will be the tempo, all right? But once you get it, you get it. So anyway, let's go into the song. And we only have 4 different chords, simple chords, by the way. So let's look into it. A minor first, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G next. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. C, third A, second D, open G, first B, open E, and finally we have a bar chord. Of course, we have to have a bar chord always. You put your index finger here on the 1st fret, push down all strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. All right, not too hard. So there we have the different chords, and I'm gonna give you the chord progression for verse play and pre-chorus. That is the same there, so that goes in one way, and then I'm going to give you the chord progression for the chorus and bridge, and that goes in a different second way. And I'm not going to give you how many times of everything and go through the full song. I'm going to give you the tools to handle it on your own, so just have that in mind. Now first, let's go into the strumming pattern. So grab the first chord, A minor. That starts the verse play, and one string around that kind of follows the tempo and rhythm here in the song. It goes like this. Okay, so it's down, up, short pause, and then up, down, up. So it starts with down, up, and then up, down, up. That's one round, so a couple rounds. Okay, so the verse play, you play A minor, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds, and C, 4 string rounds. You're going to do that for 2 rounds, 2 chord progression rounds. That will be the verse play. So A minor, G, G, C, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the verse play. Then I mentioned the pre-chorus is played in the same way. It starts about, let's see, 29 seconds in, I believe. I'm the smoke and so on, and the lyrics. And yes, you're going to play in the same way, but only for 1 round. So A minor 2, G2, C4 for 1 round only. That is the pre-chorus. So that is the first way of playing this song, okay? Verse play and pre-chorus. Now, into the chorus play that starts about 37 seconds in. I know it's done. That's where on the lyrics. And we're also going to use the same playing here for the bridge part later on, okay? So what you're going to do here is to apply the same strumming pattern, just a different chord progression. So now you're going to play F2, G2, A minor 2, and C2. So G, A minor, 2, C, 2. Again. All right, I played 2 rounds for you. That's what you're going to do for this first chorus. The second chorus later on will be 4 chord progression rounds of that same playing, F, G, A minor, C. And the final chorus that comes right after the bridge part will be for 2 rounds. So that's pretty much how the song ends. In between there, I mentioned the bridge part comes after the second chorus, and It's the least I deserve. It's what she sings there. So that is where you're going to play the bridge. You're going to play it in the same way as I mentioned, as the chords for 2 rounds. F, G, A minor, C, 2 strumming rounds, 2 chord pressure rounds. And that's it, my friends. Maisie Peters, Say My Name in Your Sleep. You don't have to do that really for me. I just want to ask you for like a like or thumb up here on this tutorial. Maybe subscribe if you haven't yet, and be back for next upload. And then I'm happy, okay? So thank you so much for your support, guys. Next time, play tuned.